everyone, welcome back. Today I'm joined with my mother. So this week is my brother's birthday and we're gonna be having fun. So I thought it would be really fun to create a glam look for our outing that we're gonna be doing. So
woohoo!
Yeah, so we've got all of our things here ready to go and let's get into it.
Sounds good.
Woohoo. I'm just gonna pin my hair back just really quick because
I've already done that.
I don't like. So this is like gonna be a different look than other looks that I do. I guess this will be the first makeup video I do on this channel. So yay.
Yay.
Yeah, we're gonna do a glam look today, which is a little more
extra.
Yes. So let's get into it. So I always start with a primer. I use two. I like this one by Touch in Sol and this one by Wander Beauty.
This one you just use the tiniest bit. It's a lot. And the primer is for what purpose?
It like depends on what primer you're using. So the primers that I'm using are to help like blur your pores and brighten the skin underneath your makeup.
We're gonna need to do brow day too.
I did mine this morning, so.
We should have did mine.
I don't really like have a set routine for this. Usually like I just kind of wing it. So I'm gonna start with my brows because I don't know why. I usually do that. I think it's easier. So
that is something. This is for your brows?
Yeah, so that's the Anastasia Dip Brow
I
Pomade.
need some of that. Add it to the list.
And then I just like to take it and go flat and just really lightly fill them in.
Okay, I think I'm done.
With both of them?
Did I go too fast?
No, I think you just have less to fill in than I do. It's like so weird to not do my makeup at my vanity, but I feel like a real beauty guru. Okay, I think that's as good as they're gonna get today. Now I'm gonna take my concealer. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm just gonna take like a little...
Oh, this is going back up at the brow part?
I'm just gonna carve them out a little bit because I made a little mess. Next, I guess we'll go into foundation.
Let's do it.
Foundation thing. So I'm gonna use this one by Tarte. This is a Tarte face tape.
I'm using the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid.
I'm gonna use this brush. So then I'm just gonna put concealer on and I go like right here in the inner corner, just a little teeny bit, and then like out on the side here.
Okay.
That's how TikTok taught me to do it because then it's not sitting right on your cheek to like pull your face down. Next, I'm actually gonna go in with this concealer, which is a darker concealer, what I'm gonna use for my bronzer.
Okay.
So you can use some too if you want.
I like this for my bronze. Are we? Yeah.
We're bronzing, so I'm just doing a little teeny bit. I like to use these little blush brushes to blend mine out. Alright, so that's my bronzer done. And then I'm gonna do blush now.
So what color blush should I use? And I also have my Cheek Leaders palette.
Well, I'm doing red.
And I also have for blush, I bought a liquid, this one.
Oh, that's cute too. That's nice and shiny.
I'll use that.
Yeah, because I think we'll just go for something kind of glittery in the eyeshadow.
Okay.
So I just dip it right on here. So you might want to put some on the back of your hand and then take your brush and wipe it a little bit.
Ooh, that's pretty pink.
Yeah, so that's why you'll use the brush and then you'll dip it in the product, wipe some off, and then blush with it.
Okay.
Hold on, my chair is like stuck under a...
Oh my god. What happened? Okay. Alright. Back to blush.
Back to blush. I was just finishing mine. And then I like to put a little bit on my nose too. Alright, and now we can move on to eyeshadow. I like to do highlighter last. Now we're gonna go into our palette. Just a disclaimer, I haven't thought about what we're gonna do with this at all. So
I'm excited.
I haven't played with this palette in a long time. So I'm gonna just start with a blending brush. Actually, yeah, let's use this one because I have the exact same one. So I'm gonna use this light brown shade just to begin.
That one is called.
Weekend Plans.
Now, where are we going with this one?
Just right in the crease, kind of. I like to do it just a little bit above.
Did you barely even put any on your brush?
Yeah, just barely.
I put way too. I ran it around a couple times. Yeah. What
You
the
just
heck?
gotta dip it in there a little bit.
I like hitting bottom already. Okay.
And I like put it on the outer V. You're like, I jammed it around a little bit.
I did. I was like, how am I faring so far?
You're faring quite well, love.
I don't need mold.
Looks good. Now you good.
Oh, I should have worn my matching Fila. Next time. Next time, Babs.
All right, now I am gonna do this brush. This
Ooh,
flat
I've got
one.
that one.
But I think I want to use Total Mood on this brush.
Okay, cute, cute, cute.
Just on the tip, and I'm just gonna put it right on my lash line. I don't go all the way in because we're gonna leave that space for a little bit of highlight. And then yeah, I'm gonna go down on the bottom. I think I want to use this one next. It's just a little darker.
It's a date.
It's a date. Yeah. Just again on the tip.
Just over the other one.
Just over the other one, but I'm not going all the way in. I smudged it like a quarter of the way in. I like wiped my eyeball with the brush, and
So now it feels dry.
No, and so now the brush is a little bit wet, and
Ew.
it's making it really hard to apply this. Okay, now I like that idea to go with the pink one. Which one was that?
Call Me Gorge, I think.
That's weird. Over here it looks a little more peachy than
Peachy.
mine. Mine looks more pink.
Wow, let's change the light and see if that's... Those are different
Those
colors.
are totally different colors, man.
What happened? What the crap? Looks identical except that one. It looks like mine is wrong.
Okay, so we just like discovered that our colors are wrong. Mine is way more pink than hers.
Mine is peach.
We'll have to go online and look at what the palette is actually supposed to look like, but one of our colors is wrong.
Totally wrong. So there's that.
Should we still use that one, or should we?
Yeah, we can use mine. We can dip into mine.
Yeah, let's use yours. It's a little more fun.
So which brush are we using?
Let's use one like this. You have one like this. Yeah, I have that one too. It's just a little. Use this. Don't catch it on your jeans, though. She just started wiping it on her pants.
I know, so I have like swatches.
I have. Look at. Oh my god! Have you been doing that the whole time? So.
All right. So what are you about to do here?
So I'm just gonna take it and put it on my lid. You can kind of dip this one in a little more.
Oh wow, amazing.
Alright, and then, so I like to use my finger for the glitter.
So this one?
This pink one, yeah. Talk of the town. And
And where are we
just
putting this?
dab it on your lid. Don't wipe it or otherwise the glitter will fall everywhere. Hey Sam!
Yeah,
Shush!
sorry.
I like to make sure that the glitter just kind of gets everywhere. It's my favorite part of the look. The glitter's kind of fun because you just never know if it got everywhere you wanted it to
And then
go.
it gets way everywhere more. Even.
Yeah, so now there's glitter all over my face.
Yeah, me too. Me too, me too, me too, me too, me too.
Now I'm gonna go back in with this flat brush that we used earlier.
Okay.
And the color that we used on this brush earlier, this purple one. And I'm just gonna put a little more on my lower lash line. Just a little tiny bit underneath. Just on that.
Underneath.
Yeah, keep it really close to your lash line.
I'm gonna use a smaller one.
And then let's do a little highlighter in the inner corner. So I'm gonna use this palette for that. And you can borrow some if you like. I'm gonna use Starburst.
Alright, let me try this.
We'll do eyelashes and then highlighter and then lipstick and then we're done. So now
Eyelash curler.
I don't have one actually.
Why?
Mine broke and I just haven't remembered to buy another one.
Yeah. Okay. Mascara.
Mascara.
I'm using Ulta's New Heights Lifting Mascara.
Nice.
I
And
like
I'm
it.
using the L'Oreal Telescopic. This bit always takes me the longest. Okay.
Okay.
So now we can do highlighter and then we can do a lipstick. And then I'm just gonna use matching to my eyes. And then I put a little bit right on the tip of my nose and on my bridge. All right, now we can do lips. And I'm gonna go with a nude look today, just because that's what I brought out. But you can do pretty much whatever you want.
All right.
Okay, so
I think we're done.
yeah,
Thank
we
you
are
for
done.
watching.
We have completed our makeup.
So we'll investigate about the Morphe thing because, oh my god.
Oh yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow us all on social media. I'll put it all in the description box for you so that you can follow us all. Yeah. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Peace out.